Hello everyone, this is a video about the Gktech Eccentric Lockout kits. We've got options for you, so pay attention. Firstly, look at this box spin on its own. Crazy, right? Now, what do you get inside said magic box? Well, let's start off with our S, R, and Z chassis cars with HICAS. Being as these cars have HICAS, we only supplied 2 bolts for the camber arms. They are 70mm, aka 2.75 inches, plus hardware. Then we have our S13, 240SX, and R32 non-HICAS variants. Being as they don't have HICAS, you can replace the tow arm and camber arm bolts, so you get 4. All 4 are the same length, and they are 70mm or 2.75 inches long, plus hardware. Then we have our S14, 15, and R33 non-HICAS versions, which are 2 different lengths, because the camber arm bolts don't need the length, whereas the tow arm bolts do. These are 80mm, aka pi, 3.14 inches, or 70mm, aka 2.75 inches plus hardware. Now finally we have our Z33, V35, and G35 versions. Fortunately, these cars have all the same length for bolts, both camber and tow, and they're 80mm or pi inches long, coming with a 5mm or 0.19 inch thick washer. Now all of these are grade 10.8, aka strong as beep. Now all the installs are basically the same, they just may be located in different spots than you see here. This is the eccentric bolt and washer we are talking about. Its job is to adjust the standard arms a few degrees for the old alignment. Under high load, such as curbing the living crap out of your wheel, it can move, becoming self-adjusted. We don't want that. So what we need to do to install is to remove the sway bar nuts and drop the sway bar out of the way to get at that nut. Then remove the camber arm, bolt, nut, and washer and toss those in your spare parts bin. Then grab the fresh Gktech unit with 1 washer already on it and push it through as shown here. Now install the washer between the tabs, install the nut, hold one side, and torque to 98 to 118 Newton meters or 72 to 87 foot-pounds. Then install and torque all of the sway bar nuts you just removed, torquing those to factory specs as well. Now, remove the tow arm bolt, nut, and washers, then slip the tow arm back in and install the new Gktech bolt with the washer already on, and slap the washer on the other side in between the 2 tabs. Then, hold the other side and tighten and torque to 98 to 118 Newton meters or 72 to 87 foot-pounds, then boom! While we don't want you to hit curbs, if you did happen to give one a love tap, you can rest easy knowing your alignment wouldn't be messed up because of a washer being all willy-nilly. These 2 idiots are begging for subscribers on YouTube, so please do it. If you can't install these, have a pro do it or reach out with any questions. This is Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach B is in Bad Arse, checking out until next time. Peace.